Good morning students. Today's topic is triangles. So in this chapter we will learn about triangles, different types of triangles and properties of triangles. So let's start with the triangle. A simple closed figure made with the help of three line segment is called a triangle. That means a triangle is a closed figure made of three line segment. As you can see here three line segments AC, BC and AB form a triangle. It has three vertex. A, B and C are three vertex. Three sides AC, BC and AB are three sides, and three angle. Angle A, angle B and angle C are three angles here. That means a triangle is a closed plane figure made of three line segment which has three vertex, three sides and three angles. And we can write these angles like angle CAB, angle ABC and angle BCA. As I explained earlier, we have to write vertex, we have to keep vertex in the middle. So angle CAB, angle ABC and angle BCA are three angles. A, B and C are three vertex and AC, BC and AB are three sides here. Now come to the next topic. Our next topic is classification of triangle according to the measurement of their angles. That means according to the measurement of their angles, we divide triangles in three different types. And what are these types? Just have a look. First is acute angled triangle. So what is acute angled triangle? Just have a look. If all angles of triangles are acute, then it is known as an acute angled triangle. That means a triangle in which all three angles, this and this, a triangle in which all three angles measure less than 90 degree, then this type of angle is known as acute angle triangle. जिस ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल का मेजरमेंट 90 डिग्री से कम होता है और जीरो से ज़्यादा, ऑब्वियस जीरो से ज़्यादा ही होगा, तो जिस ट्रायंगल में तीनों एंगल का मेजरमेंट 90 से कम होता है, उस तरह के एंगल को, उस तरह के ट्रायंगल को हम एक्यूट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल कहते हैं. क्लियर? कम टू द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल. Our next triangle is right angle triangle. If any one angle of a triangle is right angle and other two of its angle are acute, then it is called as right angle triangle. That means a triangle in which one angle measure 90 degree. अगर किसी भी ट्रायंगल में एक एंगल आपका 90 डिग्री का होता है तो उसे हम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल कहते हैं. क्लियर? अ ट्रायंगल इन विच वन एंगल मेजर 90 डिग्री इज कॉल्ड राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. कम टू द थर्ड वन. आवर थर्ड ट्रायंगल इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. If any one angle is obtuse and other two are acute, then it is known as obtuse angle triangle. That means an angle in which one of a triangle in which one of its angle measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then this type of angle is known as obtuse angled triangle. एक ट्रायंगल जिसका एक एंगल 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होता है उस तरह के हम एंगल को क्या बोलते हैं? ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल कहते हैं. सो दीज आर द 3 types of triangle. Acute means all 3 angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle triangle means one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, and obtuse means a triangle in which one of its angle is more than 90 degree. So these are the 3 types of angle. Come to the next topic. Our next topic is property of the triangles. So what is the property of the triangles? The sum of 3 angles of the triangle is 180 degree. That means किसी भी triangle के तीनों angles का sum कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर हम तीनों एंगल्स के मेज़र को जोड़ते हैं तो वो कितना होना चाहिए? वो 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म दैट यू हैव टू नो इन दिस चैप्टर. कम टू योर एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज 16.4. ऑब्जर्व द फिगर alongside and write the name of sides of triangle, angles of triangle, vertex of triangle, and the name of the triangle in 3 different ways. So this is your picture, and what you have to write here? First you have to write the sides of triangle. So what are the different sides in this triangle? As you can see here, PR, QR and PQ are 3 different sides. So sides of triangle is equal to PR, QR, PQ. Now next is angles of triangle. So what are the 3 angles here? Angle P, angle Q and angle R. You can write like angle RPQ, angle PQR and angle PRQ. These are the 3 different angles. Now third question is, you have to write here 3 vertex. So what are the vertex here? P, Q and R are 3 vertex here. And the last question is the name of the triangle in 3 different ways. You have to write this triangle in 3 different ways. So you can write like angle, this is the sign of angle, angle PQR. Next is angle QRP, and the third one is angle RPQ. So these are the 3 different ways to write the name of this triangle. Now turn your page, come to the next question. Classify the triangles according to their angle. So measurement of angles are given here, and you have to classify them as acute, right and obtuse. So here you can see the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That means this is an example of obtuse angled triangle. Come to the third one. So all 3 angles, angle P, angle Q and angle R are less than 90 degree. So this is an example of acute angle triangle. That means this is an acute angle. Now come to number C. As you can see here, one of the angle measure 90 degree. That means this is right angled triangle. Clear, students? In this way you have to write the name of the all figure. So write it in your book only. Now come to the next question. Find the third angle of the following triangle. So measurement of 2 angles are given here, and you have to find the third one. As you know, sum of all 3 angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. So how we will solve it? Just have a look. So this is the question number 3A. So how we will solve it? Just have a look. 3A. Measure of two angles are 40 degree and 60 degree. Now let the third angle is equal to x. So let the third angle is equal to x. Now 40 degree plus 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 40 is 100 plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 100. So x is equal to 80 degree. So third angle is 80 degree here. Here you have to write, since sum of all angle of triangles is equal to 180 degree. So in this way you have to solve all. We will take another question. Suppose it's a number f. 1 degree is 90 and the another angle is 25 degree. So it's question number f, 90 degree, and the next one is 25 degrees. So let the third angle is equal to x degree. So 90 plus 25 plus x degree is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That's why we will write here 90 plus 25 plus x is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 25 is 5, 11. 115 plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 115 degree is equal to 10, 5, 7 here, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 65 degree is our answer. In this way you have to solve all. Now come to the last question. Which of the following can be the angles of triangles? So measure of all three angles of a triangles are given here, and we have to find out, we have to check whether this can be form a triangle or not. So what is our first question? It's question number 4 A. So what are the measurement here? 42 degree, 93 degree and 65 degree. So here we have to find out whether these can be form a triangle or not. 42 degree plus 93 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 5, 8, 10, 0, 1 is carrying here, 6 and 4 is 10, 9, 19 and 1, 200. So triangle is not possible. If sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree, then it can form a triangle. But here you can see sum of all angles of this triangle is 200 degree. This means this is not a triangle. In this way you have to solve all. We will take another question. Suppose it's question number B. 105 degree, 25 degree and 40 degree. These are the measure of three angles. If the sum of these three angles is 180 degree, that means it is a triangle. But if the sum of these three angles is more than or less than 180, that means it is not a triangle. So we will check it. 105 plus 25 plus 40, 5 and 5, 10, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Therefore, triangle is not possible. So only few questions are left here, students. What you have to do? Question number 3 and question number 4, you have to solve it in your notebook, and question number 2 you have to do in your book only. Now only one chapter is left, 16.5, that we will solve in our next class.